Join us while we make some wreaths out of the holly and ivy from my garden. Here I'm using some pegs to help hold the ivy onto the frame of my wreath before I can actually start weaving them around and it holds it all in place itself. You can use wire as well, but this worked really well as a temporary measure. So all the ivy is woven around, and that's the base, and I'm going to add some beads with some wire and hold everything in place. I'm using 0.6 wire here and 8mm pearls, and by threading 3 on together and holding the wire at a nice right angle, you can get a nice twist around, and then use the excess pieces of wire to wire the beads onto the frame, which also helps hold all of the ivy in place. I continued adding lots more beads all the way around the wreath and finished with a beaded bow. Hana opted for bright pops of pink and purple.